नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं र के रूप एवं री का प्रयोग। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट different types of r and uses of re. Actually not different types, but r is a letter of Hindi alphabet which used in different ways. So we are going to discuss about that, and as it's used in different way, it is very much important to know about its uses. र हिंदी वर्णमाला का एक ऐसा वर्ण है जिसका प्रयोग अलग अलग रूपों में होता है, अतः इसके विषय में विस्तार से जानना आवश्यक है। सो लेट्स सी। र एक वर्ण के रूप में, र एज अ लेटर। र वर्ण का प्रयोग शब्द के शुरुआत, बीच या अंत कहीं भी किया जा सकता है। When we use र as a letter, then we can use it anywhere to frame a word, either at the beginning or in the center or at the end. Let's see few examples. रात, खबर, रबर, राजा, रखना। अगर आप इन शब्दों को देखो तो इसमें र का प्रयोग कहीं भी हुआ है। There are few letters in Hindi वर्णमाला which we don't use, means there is no word starts with that letter. But if you will see ra can be used in any place to make a word. In these examples you can see we have started the word with ra. Ra is coming at the end, and also it's coming at the beginning and at the end also. So ra, here we have shown you how we can use ra to frame different words. Now coming to the next one. र का प्रयोग आधे अक्षर के रूप में। आधे अक्षर means half letter. As you know, when we pronounce Hindi consonants, at the end, we always get a sound. For example, ra, a. So, when we remove this a sound from any consonant, that consonant become half. जब भी हम किसी अक्षर से अ निकाल देते हैं और ध्वनि निकाल देते हैं, तो वो अक्षर जो है वो हाफ हो जाती है। तो जब र हाफ होता है तो उसका प्रयोग रेफ ऐसे करते हैं, जिसको हम रेफ कहते हैं। यह रेफ ठीक उस अक्षर के ऊपर लगाया जाता है जिसके पहले आधे र का स्वर सुनाई देता है। We use this रेफ, this half र, on top of that letter before which we hear the half r sound. Now let's see some examples. Suppose karm. So if you will hear properly or pronounce correctly, you will see that before ma half ra sound is coming. Karm. So where we are putting the half ra? As I explained here, on the top of that letter before which we can hear the half ra sound. Surya. So here also you will see before here half ra sound is coming. So on top of here we are putting this ref. Marg. Durbal. So always remember, when we use ra as a half letter, we use it like this and it's known as ref, and we use this always on top of that letter before which we can hear the half ra sound. Now coming to the next type of use. यदि र के पहले कोई आधा अक्षर आए तो, if some other half letter come before र, then how we are going to use? जब र के पहले कोई आधा अक्षर आता है तो र उस वर्ण के नीचे लग जाता है। Whenever any other half letter comes before r, here r is not half, but the letter which is coming before r is half. In that case, we use r like this, a slanting line. So this line is known as paden. इसे पदेन कहते हैं। Now why we call it paden? Because वर्ण के नीचे अर्थात पैरों में लगने के कारण ही यह पदेन कहलाता है। Because we use this sign with this symbol at the under the letter, this part. So this is the reason, it's like the feet of the letter, right? So this is the reason it's known as paden. The name is given as paden. Now let's see few example. Here if you will join these letters, the word will be kram. So here ra is full but ka is half, and this is the reason how we are using ra. We are just adding this symbol at the under the letter k and it become kram. भ्रम, यहां भी देखो भ हाफ है तो क्या करेंगे, एग्जैक्टली भ के नीचे हम ऐसा साइन लगा देंगे और ये बन जाएगा भ्रम. ग्रह, ठीक ग के नीचे हाफ लगा देंगे. इन ऑल दीज वर्ड्स यू विल सी दैट बिफोर र द लेटर इज half. So we'll use it like this, and as we are using it under the letter, so this is the reason it is known as पदेन, because पद मतलब पैर और पैर के नीचे लगने के कारण ये पदेन कहलाता है. Now next way how we use र, जब अक्षर नीचे से गोल होता है, when the letter is circle in shape from down. Okay, down part of that letter is circle or semicircle. At that time, we use this symbol of R. Here also the letter is half only. Before R it is coming and the sound is half. But when the shape is like this, circle, then we use R like this. And this is also known as Paden. क्योंकि इसको भी हम letter के नीचे ही use करते हैं. Let's see a few example like drum, dram, tram, truck, drama. So in this if you will see the r sound comes like we are dragging it. Here d is half and r is full. So drum, drum. तो याद रखिएगा जब भी अक्षर नीचे से गोल हो, whenever the letters shape is round or from down, then we use paden like this. We don't use single paden but we use double paden like this. तो ये थे र के रूप. आइए अब बात करते हैं री का प्रयोग. हाउ वी यूज री. जहां पर शब्द में री स्वर आता है वहां री इसी प्रकार प्रयोग में आता है, लेकिन जब यह किसी व्यंजन वर्ण के साथ आता है तो इस प्रकार मात्रा, इस प्रकार यह वर्ण के नीचे लगता है. For example, when the words start with re letter only, then we use re as it is, like Rishabh, Rin, Rishi, etc. But when the re sound come with some letter, like here if I want to write mrig, then what we'll do? We'll add some half circle under the letter. So this is the matra, this is the symbol of re. Here we are not using the re letter, but we are using the symbol of re to make it mrig. Grih, nrip, kripa. So this all about uses of re and different uses of r. Thank you.